Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hi, I'm LaShanti Rashay, and today we're going to be doing another wig tutorial. No, this wig is not sponsored. I got this wig from my local beauty supply store. It was on sale, y'all. I paid no more than, I want to say like $45. And right here, I'm just showing y'all that this is a T-part wig. It's not a full frontal wig, so I can't really part anywhere. But I mean, that's how I like it anyway. It's easy for me to put on. Shoot, I don't know about y'all. Mind y'all, I haven't put on a wig in over a year, literally. So yeah, your girl really just did her best with this right here. Please, absolutely not. Do not get that glue, y'all. Like, I don't know why I didn't just stick to what I usually get. And that's like some even, or even the got to be is better than this, y'all. Please don't get that. It's so sticky. It was so annoying. But I mean, one thing about it, your wig not gonna go nowhere. That sticky glue gonna make sure your wig stay in place. But I'm not here to advertise that. As y'all can see, I was getting a little fed up with that glue. But okay, so I had bought this today at the beauty supply store. This is something new that I haven't used. I usually just use like the spray can with the foundation, or I usually have like, a little bit of foundation on the side. But your girl was just doing everything that she don't normally do. So the wig didn't really come out exactly how I wanted it to come out. But best believe the next wig tutorial video, I'm gonna have my right tools. Yes, the wig is given. I was just trying to see like, how it really looked on me because that was my first time putting it on. Don't get me wrong, y'all. My hair was totally fine just like this. But I felt like it was just missing something. Like it was just too plain and too basic. So I decided to do the half up, half down claw clip style that I seen on TikTok. And plus, that style is just too cute. I was gonna try it on my next wig for my next video, but y'all, I just had to give it to y'all right then and there. This is such an easy style to do. I definitely recommend. It's easy and quick, and it's so cute, you know, something simple. This is the end of my hair tutorial video. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure y'all leave a like or even comment or even subscribe. And also check out my other hair tutorial videos. Thank y'all.